Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivoactive 6 and I'm gonna show you how to change the time on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the menu, and you can do it by pressing the upper button once. Once you open the menu, scroll through it and look for the settings icon. And once you find it, of course, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll all the way down and look for the option called the system and then tap on it. Here, find the option called the time, and once you find it, select it, of course. And then scroll down and look for the option called set time. By default, it will be set to auto. We want to change it to manual, so tap on set time, tap on manual, and once you set it to manual, you can scroll down and you should see the time option. You can tap on it, and here you can change the time to whatever you like. We have the hours, so the first row is the hours, and we have minutes, and then we have the AM and PM. We should be able to change them too, yeah. And once you're done, you can tap on the check mark to confirm. Confirm it again. And here we have our time, it changed. You can also change the time format if you like to. And you can change the date format as well. And once you're done, you can press the lower button right here a couple of times to go back to watch face. As I can see, the time was applied. And that's how you change the time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.